Mike, let's get this throttle cable and the fuel rail, and you want to pull that intake off.
Done.
Sweet. As you can see, we're back here with the Integra in Mike's garage, and we have no compression. So what we're going to do today is pull the cylinder head, or get as far as we can, get the cylinder head as off so we can check for bent valves, so we can check for cracks, so we can check for, I don't know, hole in the piston.
That's what I'm hoping for, is a big old hole in that piston.
Yeah, I don't know if he wants to build an engine or what. We might do that. I don't know. So
remember, turbo.
So yeah, we're going to jump into this and hopefully figure something out today. And I don't know, maybe we'll find out if it's a cheap fix or if it's a cheap motor fix. I mean, engines for these aren't that expensive.
I was going to say, it's a Honda. Everything's cheap.
Right? Yeah. Unless you want like some sweet rare JDM seats or something, then they're pretty pricey. So we'll bring you guys in for some close reviews. We got more lights. They're not the best quality, but we really hope they help. Let us know if they don't. If not, we'll get more. And we really don't have a lighting problem in this garage, but again, we try to do better for you guys. Better content, better quality. So let's dig into this thing. All right. Okay. Start taking off this Type R. It's a 14 if you want to grab another one. Maybe we should have a little bit of PD blaster on this bad boy. We'll take it off, we'll clean it up, get some powder coat on there, and you know what? I think these might have bolts coming from the bottom.
Great.
Unless it's stripped. That would suck. Yep, it's open back. Yep. Yeah. My wife's behind the camera, so if it's a little wonky, she's not used to it yet, so. She's been filming the engine a lot, but not us. So we're going to pull these belts off. Ooh. Oh wow. Holy crap, that's a long ass bolt.
My impact's up there if you want to just use that.
Yeah, it's going to have to go up. Probably even have to take the wheel off.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alrighty, on it.
This should be good. It's a fancy wing nut on here. It's a good design there, Honda. Pretty cool. You loosen the lock bolt there, and and this should. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Maybe I gotta loosen something. Oh, there's another one down there. My bad, guys. First Honda.
So yeah, I don't know where you want this.
Put it underneath the frame. You talking about the jack stand?
Yeah.
Put it underneath the frame. be there in a minute.
It looks like more plastic.
Be right back. Mike pushing his best friend around.
Everyone needs one of those.
Let me tell you about my best friend. Yeah, speaking of friends, where's Nick?
I don't know.
Where's Nick?
I think something about he was too tired. No, I understand. I mean, like we said before, we don't do this full time.
Yeah.
We all still have full-time jobs. We just had to do this in our free time.
You mean we weren't supposed to quit? Oh, shit. So yeah, you loosen the right bolts, guess what? You just loosen the wing nut and it comes right off. Look at that. Alright. Now, gotta love old suspension. You want me to go put that jack stand right there?
Yeah, since you know where it's going, I'll leave this under it too.
Gotta go up a little bit more.
More?
A little bit. Okay. Alright, we can
Good.
I think so.
It's not going anywhere.
It's definitely got some. It's definitely pretty clean though. Car itself is pretty clean. Brake lines are held on by Velcro straps.
Yeah!
Charcoal canister is covered in mud and dirt.
I remember this thing
Check
was
that
like
out.
mountains.
Mmm. What's up? Alright. So you gotta reach your hand up here.
Is there a nut?
Yep, right here. Spin it off. These bolts are like 3 inches long. Ow, ow, ow! Gotta go slow. Hold on. Hold on.
Why?
Because it's spinning my finger in it, because the bottom it's a little rusty.
Hold stronger.
Do this one.
This one?
Yeah, it's going to need to get a, hold on. I can't, okay, try it again. There you go, just go that speed. A little faster. Oh, oh, oh.
Need stronger fingers.
Alright.
He's just scared.
Scared. Oh, it's a coolant hose.
Yeah.
You know, they should make a tool for that. Oh, that's right. I have one at my house.
Right here. It doesn't. She's dry.
Previous owner said that he had, he was driving down the highway and all the coolant decided to spew out. So we're kind of thinking maybe either the head gasket really blew out or cracked somewhere or something. We thought originally that it was a timing belt issue, but yeah. But like I said, digging into it, find it out. At this point now, we need to pull the exhaust manifold from the cylinder head. We'll probably just disconnect it completely. Well,
You should be able just to disconnect it and it'll hang.
yeah, I guess there's nothing else we got to grab underneath there, so we'll probably just do that. And then disconnect the power steering pump. And then, since we're putting a new timing belt on it anyways, I think we might just go.
Yeah.
And then we can pull the head off.
Yeah, that'd be best.
So, I know some people would probably be like, no, don't do that. But then we think the head's junk anyways. And if not, rebuild time. So, alright. You want to work on that exhaust manifold?
Yeah.
And I'll work on this,
Is it a 10?
12 actually. It looks like.
Are you sure? It might have sounded cool.
I don't know. Now that I own this, I'm still unsure whether. I mean, the K series Hondas sound pretty good, if you ask me. But I'm still undecided on whether I really like the way they sound or not. So, but I do like the K series, which is a possible candidate for this car. I'm thinking there's also the idea of a B20 C1, do like a GSR type replica almost.
Turbo.
But I don't know if I want to boost it yet or not.
Let us know. Let us know which route you would like to see.
Let us know. Let us know. Let us know.
No, it's let it go. Get it right.
Oh. Okay. Let's see, down here. This is the fuel line right here.
Yeah, we're not taking it off.
Oh, this is the return, I should say, because this is the regulator.
That canister is gonna break otherwise.
That's all right. We'll get rid of the canister.
Who needs emissions anyways?
Right.
Do you want these off? No.
No, it just connects to the top there. Got the pliers.
You want to hand me the pliers again?
Yeah, hold on.
Since you stole it from me.
It's gonna smell like gas. So, yeah, obviously now we're gonna have a gas smell in here, but it's okay. As long as we keep it away any flame source, like the heater, we should be good to go.
Alrighty guys, so while we were taking the exhaust cam out, as you can see, let me just get this pointy in here and show you. That definitely is not supposed to look like that. Looks like some, this motor got a little hot.
Oh yeah, it got really hot, and if you can look inside here, point inside that cam gear where that stuff is like sticking through it.
Yeah.
On this side of it though.
Like here?
Yeah. I don't know if they can see that. But yeah. this thing is we went to pull that cam out. We went to pull the cam out in order to
Dude, this cover is like melted.
yeah, we went to pull the cam out, and holy crap, it was really hard to get out, and I'm like, why is this so hard to get out? And we looked down, and that timing cover is melted. Like,
Melted.
it literally looks like that somebody stuck a glob of silicone and it just
That's what I thought it was at first when we kind of took a look at it. I mean, it definitely looks like someone just took that silicone, like you said, and went.
yeah, and it definitely would be the reason why the front timing cover bolts are so hard to get out. And yeah, but we're going to keep tearing it down and hopefully get the cylinder head off tonight. And we're going to see what happens. It might have even had a small engine fire. So, I don't know. We'll let you guys know, but it only seems to be really hot and burnt inside the timing belt area. And, yeah, I don't know. We'll get going a little further and see what happens. See y'all in a few. Okay, so we obviously know this thing's been overheated, and the back of the timing cover, as you saw in the previous, is melted.
More than just melted.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It melted around the cam sprockets, but we think all the valves are good. So we're not exactly sure why it had no compression, not sure why it overheated, but we're thinking just swap the engine with one that's known good, and we'll go from there, and maybe we'll tear it down some more, and if the block's still good, maybe we'll put a girdle on it, maybe with some block supports.
Cement. We're gonna cement it.
Build it for boost, maybe. We'll see. We'll see what goes on down the road, and I think for now, though, I think we're going another engine, and just drop it in here.
I think that's the best route to go, especially since it was very, very warm,
So,
as we can tell.
This is my son. It's my son Damien. So he has his own YouTube channel as well. It's called Monster Damien. So, anyways, we're done for tonight. It's getting kind of late, and I just started drinking coffee, so that's awesome. So, anyways, you want to tell them to?
Yeah. As always, guys, don't forget to like,
subscribe,
and comment. He did the same thing Nick did. Ring the bell,
guys.
Ring the bell, guys. You'll get notified when we put up new videos, new content, things like that. See y'all later.